Taurus, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So, yeah, Taurus, let's see what is coming for you guys for the week of October 26th through November 1st. Okay. So yeah, these are just the insights for you guys to stay focused on those things which can be helpful for getting success, abundance, money, love, and blessings from the universe, and stay away from those kind of things which can be the blockage in the way of your success and happiness. Okay, so yeah, this is for you guys, the Taurus people. Okay, so yeah, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for Taurus for 26 October through 1st of November. Okay, Six of Swords. Wow, very calm, very beautiful energy. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, High Priestess. Nine of Wands. Strength. Five of Wands right in the heart of your spread. Queen of Pentacles, beautiful. Capricorn energy is here. Pisces is here. Leo is here. Capricorn twice. Temptation. Okay, this is the Devil card of the tarot, which is Saturn rules Capricorn. Eight of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. Fire signs are also here. Aries, Leo, Sag. So Leo is very loud here, and then Capricorn. And see, bottom of the deck we have the Judgment, which is the Scorpio energy. So maybe some of you are dealing with a Scorpio, which is your natural seventh. Okay, and if this is not Scorpio, this is the person, maybe this is you, are going through some kind of awakening, some kind of that, crossroads. You want to decide something and there is a conflict. Okay, so with the Six of Swords, I'm feeling that you are moving forward. You want to move forward with the flow, and you just don't want to force anything. You just want to go with the flow because you think that this is like universe process. That's why you're happy. What are you having, and you are appreciating that, which is beautiful energy. You're actually in that gratitude energy. Yeah, okay, gratitude, and you are appreciating whatever you are having right now, and you are actually paying gratitude to the universe whatever is not for you. Okay, not with you, or you are not having whatever things. So you're also appreciating those, that yeah, if I'm not having all those things, that is for my higher good. So wow, very beautiful approach, very beautiful thinking. Ace of Pentacles, High Priestess, and the Nine of Wands are telling me this is the labor of your high vibe energy. This is the gift for you from the universe, this Ace of Pentacles. And because you are maintaining your boundaries, and you are actually establishing all those beautiful things in your life, you are actually changing so many things, so many habits, so many patterns of yours, which are going to be useful and beneficial for you. Beautiful, Taurus, beautiful. This is great. So Strength, Five of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. Beautiful energy. I'm feeling that if this is you and your person, both of you are not talking to each other because you think that whenever I speak to this person, the conflict happen, the arguments happen, the fights happen, the disagreements happen. So that's why you are not focused on them, they are not focused on you. Both of you are individually transforming yourselves, which is beautiful. Like you are giving love to yourself, they are giving love to their self. They are overcoming all those dark sides of them. They are also healing that patterns of them. Okay, yeah, so beautiful. Temptation, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, again, this is you and them. I'm feeling that this is you. You're trying to be the confident person. They're trying to come out of this stuckness. They're trying to overcome all those toxic patterns of them, and they are trying to end those karmic patterns of them. They just don't want to continue this kind of karmic cycle, and you just don't want to be the lower vibration person. So that's why both of you are working on yourselves, which is great. This is like beautiful energy for love partners. Okay, so let's see what is the Six of Swords here for the Taurus. Six of Swords for the Taurus, please. Two of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, wow, and the Sun, wow, beautiful. So Leo energy, strong Leo energies here. I'm feeling that Taurus, yeah, you are moving forward. You want to be the stable person, you want to be the happy person, and for some of you, I'm feeling that you are working so hard that you want to be at the top of the world. Like you are working so hard with the Two of Pentacles, and you don't even have time for yourself, but you are trying to manage to the time for nurturing yourself and the time for the business of your work, something like that. And with this wow, combination, see, King and Queen of Pentacles and the Sun card, you are trying to balance the both masculine energy and the feminine energy, and that is actually making you glow, that is actually making you beautiful. Like you're feeling complete, your soul is growing, your soul is leveling up. Wow, beautiful. Like everyone can see the light of yours. Like you are not so not so harshly masculine, and you are not so dependently feminine. Wow, you are balanced. Beautiful energy. This is great. This is beautiful. Let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles here for the Taurus. King of Swords, Four of Wands, and Two of Swords. Okay, wow. Yeah. So I am feeling that Pisces, maybe some of you are dealing with the Pisces because we have the High Priestess here. King of Swords is the Aquarius energy, Four of Wands and the Two of Swords. So Taurus, I'm feeling that after receiving this Ace of Pentacles, there is going to be communication happening for you. Like communication is needed for this to from Ace to Four of Wands, this is a commitment, like, okay, and there needs to be communication. Yeah, so universe wants both of you to communicate so that things can move on, so that things can grow, because now both of you are individually focused on yourselves, both of you are individually healing and growing yourself, leveling up, trying to be the mature person, and then this new opportunity from the universe will lead both of you towards a commitment. Wow, beautiful. What is this? Okay, let's see the High Priestess. Hanged Man, again Pisces energy. Nine of Pentacles, Empress. Wow. Yeah, both of you are now enlightened, feeling complete, trying to be the abundant person and trying to be that equal give and take partner in the relationship. Like both of you want that kind of connection and relationship in which equal give and take can be happen. Nothing imbalance. Wow, this is beautiful. Both of you are now very enlightened and wise persons, okay, and very independent, very confident and abundant as well, because you have the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles energy, and they are the strength, which is also very beautiful energy, and the King of Swords. Okay, so yeah, wow, beautiful. Okay, let's see what is this strength here for the Taurus. Okay, we have 8 of Swords, 8 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, and 6 of Pentacles. Wow. So yeah, this person is actually, see, 8 of Swords and the 8 of Wands. This person wants to come out of this kind of stuckness, and they want to communicate to you. They want to level up, because 8 of Wands is also downloads from the universe. So they want to use all those intuitive senses, intuitive knowledge from the universe is actually giving them continuously. So they want to use it to come out of this kind of stuckness, and then they want to be the balanced person. They don't want to be like that 5 of Pentacles and feeling left out in the cold, feeling that victim, feeling that betray. No, they want to be the strong person, like opposite. Okay, so totally opposite of the 5 of Pentacles, so, and the 8 of Swords. Yeah, maybe they were in this kind of energy in the recent past for a long time, but now they want to overcome it. They want to overcome it. What is this devil here? What is this temptation here? Ten of Wands, Ace of Swords, Page of Cups. Yeah, they really want to put that burden down of their past, you know, that baggage. They want to end all those karmic cycles. They want to cut those things out which are putting them down continuously, and they want to also know about the feelings they have for you, because when the time they are transforming themselves, the time they are healing themselves, you were still with them, you were continuously with them, like you were in their heart. So they are now realizing the power of this connection, because this is very beautiful, strong connection. So wow, see, 4 of Wands, and then Sun, and then King and Queen of Pentacles. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, Taurus. So wow, see, wow. So yeah, this is a hack for you, Taurus. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.